can't control the ship. We're going down.
Okay, who's this guy right next to me? Or am I hallucinating because of fear? Because my head's blocky, too.
You're hallucinating because there's a jail cell right next to you.
What do you mean? It's on the other side of the boat. Oh, wait, that's a jail cell?
Yes.
Kind of looks like a chimney.
It was boarded up.
Ah. That makes more sense. Am I still alive or am I hallucinating about being alive right now, too?
You're alive because the sinkhole didn't sink all the way. It stopped in the middle of this process. I'm stuck and water is slowly floating in the air.
Okay, I'm kind of wishing I was wearing a helmet like this guy that I'm hallucinating about, unless that's me.
No, that's another person right next to you.
Okay. And how is the smokestack still alive?
Here comes the tsunami!
Oh no! It's a dino tsunami! Where are we? Hang on, let me turn on my flashlight. Okay, that's way better.
We just need to find land.
Wait, I thought you were the guy in the driving. Was I hallucinating about seeing a clone of you?
I had to change the character because I couldn't find his body.
This is getting recorded right now.
I know.
You should have went.
What does it matter?
Okay, let's just continue.
Okay, we need to find land. We seem to be drifting.
Ow. Wait, where'd I go? Ah, I'm still in the boat. I thought I fell off.
We wake up and on it.
Oh my god, we're at an island.